Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered as a fruit. They are also known as eggplants, and are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are cultivated most in countries like China, India, and Egypt, where they thrive in warm climates. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as aubergine, aubergine, gene, aubergine. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as aubergine, aubergine, gene, aubergine. Despite being considered a vegetable in the culinary world, botanically, they are classified as berries. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about aubergines, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.